4x plus 1 over 3 modulus of is less than or equal to 5. Square on both sides then and see what we get. So the square of this side will be this squared over this squared. So I'm going to square this in my mind's eye with a bracket around it. So we'll get 4x times 4x, 16x squared, plus the middle two terms will be two lots of 4x and 4x, which make 8x. 1 times 1 is the last term, isn't it, in the bracket squared, all over the bottom term squared, which is 9, is less than or equal to this squared, which is 25. So we get 16x squared then, plus 8x, plus 1, is less than or equal to 9 times 25 is 9 20s 180, 9 5s are 45, 180 and 45 is 225. So we get 16x squared plus 8x. Move the 225 over to become minus, and it's 1 take 225. Minus 224. Divide by 8 all the way through. 8 goes into 16 twice. 8 goes into 8 once. And 8 into 224. 8 30s are 240, aren't they? And there's 2 less. So it's 28. So minus 28. And just check that. 8 20s is 160. And 8 8s are 64. 160 and 64 is 224. Got the minus there, which is good. Now, can we factorize this? Not entirely sure. Let's turn our attention to it then. So let's just get the solutions. Then we've got a U-shaped curve. Let's find the roots using the formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 1 squared, minus 4 times a times c, which is 28 with a minus, makes that a plus, all over 2a, which is 2 2's, which is 4. So we get minus 1 plus or minus the square root of something over 4. 4 times 8 times 228. 8 times 228, we're back to 224, plus 1 is 225, which is 15 squared. So, 15 squared then. So the square root is 15, so we've got minus 1 plus or minus 15 over 4. So our roots are 15 take 1 is 14 over 4, which is 7 over 2. And the other root is minus 1 minus 15 is minus 16 over 4 is minus 4. Okay, we've got a U-shaped curve because it's 2x squareds, and we've got roots at 7 over 2 and minus 4. So here's our U-shaped curve then. It comes down, goes round, like so. And when is that U-shaped curve underneath the origin? It was underneath the origin from here to here, isn't it? And it includes the points because it's less than or equal to. So x can go down to and equal minus 4, and it can go up to and equal 7 over 2. So let's write that down in conclusion. Minus 4 is less than or equal to x, is less than or equal to 7 over 2. So it looks like we could have factorized this here with a 7 and an 8. No. Or possibly we could have factorized it if we'd spotted something. 7 and a 4.